Performance unleashed.
The Hyundai IONIQ 6N is already an electric performance beast on its own, but now Hyundai's N division is offering a new set of N performance parts that take it even further. This is not just about flashy styling, it is real, track-focused hardware that improves grip, aerodynamics, and driving feel. Everything you see is developed directly from Hyundai's motorsport expertise and applied to the street in a way that makes sense for daily enthusiasts and track warriors alike. Starting with the exterior, the N Performance Parts package includes a full carbon fiber body kit, front splitter, side skirts, rear diffuser, all constructed from carbon fiber reinforced plastic. There is also a massive double-deck carbon fiber rear wing that not only looks aggressive, but also enhances rear-end stability when cornering at speed. The underbody turning vanes are another smart detail. They reduce lift and add usable downforce without unnecessary bulk. To reduce unsprung mass and enhance road feedback, Hyundai offers 20-inch forged wheels. Each wheel is about 1.3 kilograms lighter than the standard setup, which may not sound like a lot, but makes a noticeable difference in agility. The result is an IONIQ 6N that looks sharper and performs even cleaner, whether you are carving through mountain roads or testing your limits on a closed course. These are not aftermarket experiments. These parts come from Hyundai N directly, which means factory-level integration, warranty coverage, and tuning that works with the car, not against it. The rollout will start in South Korea and gradually expand globally. For owners who want more than just fast acceleration, the N Performance Parts package delivers an experience that is truly next level.